finished for the day. About to top up the van, ready for tomorrow. But I just wanted to drop a quick video. I've heard many people describe their kind of working environment, and there we go. They described. I've heard many people come out and say things like, "You're just a cleaner." Not necessarily directed at me, but there was we cleaned windows for a solicitor's office in Blackpool, and one of we clean the windows, and another company, they deal with the soft furnishings, hoovering, etc., and all that sort of good stuff, and they clean all that effort. And there was an interaction between one of the managers and this female cleaner, and came out and said, "Well, listen, you're only a cleaner, you know, do as you're told." And this lady was, obviously she's self-employed, etc., and all this sort of good stuff, runs her own business, and sort of took it on the chin a little bit. It gets me annoyed when I see stuff like this. Is, you know, even if that person doesn't run their own business, you know, to say you're only a cleaner, that is to say that that's the value I place on you because of the job that you do. I thought it was bang out of order, to be honest with you. And I think it's interesting that people think they can get away with this kind of treatment of someone, carte blanche, basically. And come on, you bugger, get off. So yeah, I think the takeaway from this video has got to be, you know, you don't place the value on someone just because of the job that they do. I am sure this lady, you know, is a mother, a sister. To other people, she's more than just a cleaner. Just because that is the job title that she's assigned to do, you know, does not mean that she should be treated with any less respect. So yeah, the next time someone turns around to you and says, "Well, you're just a window cleaner, you're just this, you're just that, you're just the other," and they base that purely on the job that you do, you might want to consider your working relationship with that person, and consider asking yourself, you know, can you do better than to work for a clown like that? Food for thought, at least, anyway. So I'm trying to get this bloody cap off, which I'm struggling with. So on that note, get off your bucket. There we go. On that note, have a great day, guys, and keep on keeping on. And don't let the bastards get you down. All the very best.